So first let me know whether the screen font size is visible to you clearly or not. Okay, I will share the
Sir,
both.
still it is not displayed, sir.
Yeah, I will. So this is the SAP screen. So let me know whether the font
Yeah,
sizes are
yeah,
okay
fine, sir.
or
It is okay.
fine.
It is okay, sir.
Okay, even you check with Excel. Is it fine? What I
Yeah,
am
yeah,
writing
fine,
here.
fine, sir.
So today topic is okay. So today's topic is purchase requisition or purchase order configuration.
Sir, represent first of all purchase order configuration.
Configuration part. Okay. So here, with what we do here, almost 90% of the configuration related to purchase requisition and also for purchase order is same.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
So purchase requisition configuration is little bit easy as well compared to the purchase order, even though almost are same. So what we do
Okay.
is I will cover the purchase order configuration in today's session, and you
Mm-hmm.
follow the same steps, same configuration, and try to do the changes in the purchase requisition. And
Okay, okay, sir.
if you have any doubts in your mind after completing purchase order and as well as purchase requisition related, and you can
Okay,
ask me. You can take a one more session for purchase requisition, but keep in mind both are
okay, sir.
90% same.
Okay, 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 sir.
Whatever the steps we are going to do in the purchase order configuration is exactly same as purchase requisition.
Okay,
And
okay.
in purchase order, the configuration parts are little bit more. So we'll do the purchase order configuration, because in some of the businesses they will not concentrate much on purchase requisition. So purchase order will be the mandatory in all the cases.
Okay.
So we'll do the purchase configuration. So before that, what I will do is I will let me share my screen. Already it is there. So I will open the SPRO screen. And one point you remember always in your mind, what
Okay,
are
sir.
the changes you are performing in
Okay.
SPRO screen that
Okay,
are
sir.
related to the configuration.
Okay, okay.
Okay, whenever I open some SPRO screen and I am doing some changes, modification, editing, adding, deleting something in SPRO screen, then
Okay.
assume that it is a consultant
Consultant job.
job. Yeah,
Yes,
all
sir.
the
If I'm entering
consultants,
SPRO, it is a consultant.
yes, all the consultants will play in SPRO screen only.
Okay,
Consultants.
okay.
The end users will play in easy access screen. That also I will show you. This is the easy access screen. Here it is now I am on SPRO. This is the SPRO. And I told
Okay,
you
sir.
how to judge which screen is there. At the bottom of the screen also you can see the T code will display. The SAP
Yes, sir.
has a
Yes, sir.
probability to
Yeah.
display the T code. So it is SPRO. If you come out
Okay.
of SPRO, then you will get one SAP easy access.
That is end user job.
Yes, this is SAP easy access. Here end users will pay. They can use the T code directly, or else they can go to the logistics here and select particular options, and they can prepare. Okay, I will open it once again, the SAP.
So, yes is cap, sir.
Yeah, I'm following. Okay, here SAP easy access. Remember, when you see some screen easy access, it is related to end users job. Even you can also do here as a end users, you can perform some operation here, like purchasing, purchase order. You can create a purchase order here also. Just to double click me25 me22 and change display. Okay, so what the consultants do is, instead of following these steps each and every time, they will remember this T code and execute
T
in the
codes,
T
yes, sir.
code bar. Okay, even when you are getting some little bit of time to practice, just go through these all steps. Okay,
Okay, sir.
purchase
Okay.
order, purchase requisition, reports, everything you will get. Even purchase requisition
Okay.
here, MA51 and 52 is for change, 53 is for display, like that.
Okay,
Reports
sir.
also will
Okay.
be getting. Okay.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
So and always you need to find some steps, browse yourself. Okay, so that you will understand better.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, so now I am not in easy access, I am going for the SPRO
Transaction.
screen, because I need to do some changes in the purchase order. Okay, so SAP reference image, then here material management, and here purchasing. And remember, purchasing, whenever I use the word or business use the word purchasing, there will be 2 points will come into the picture. Either it may be related to the purchase order, or it may be related to purchase requisition. Purchasing. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so
Okay.
purchasing document, if you see, the purchasing document may be purchase order, or it may be purchase requisition.
Mm-hmm. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
so here in the screen, so purchasing is there.
Okay.
Okay,
That is
so
document.
yes, you can follow the steps. I will write only for first time. Later I can jump directly. SPRO, then SAP reference IMG, then here material management, then purchasing. This is the path I have followed now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, remember, SPRO, SAP reference IMG. What is IMG? It is implementation guide. Okay,
Implementation
IMG,
guide.
MM, purchasing. Okay, so I am here in the purchasing. Now, if you just open this node, so there will be plenty of options will be there related to this purchasing. Purchasing, there will be purchase requisition and as well as purchase order. Both are there
Okay.
here.
No, we want purchase
So
order.
yeah, we are going for purchase order. So all these steps are related to change something in the purchase order screen, purchase order layout, purchase order options. Okay. So define number range, document types, all these changes. The most important is the number range, document type, and as well as release procedure and screen layout. These are the four major where all the consultants will be playing a role. And these
Okay.
are also an important, but not that much compared to these four. And here it is almost customized point of view. They will go these options. But
Okay.
when
Oh.
all the companies will follow these four major configuration parts, even this also.
Different number ranges,
Yeah.
document types. It is
So
pure.
what I do is I will take a screenshot. Already I have taken a screenshot of both purchase requisition and purchase order. I will compare you. I told you in the beginning almost 90% are same. So this is
Okay, hi,
purchase
sir.
requisition. I will make it little bit border so that it will be easy for you. Yeah, this is purchase requisition, and the border line with the black color or blue color, I will choose the different one so that for comparison. So this is for purchase order screen.
Okay.
Okay, just to compare this here. Here also in the purchase order, define number ranges is there. Here also define number ranges.
Yes, sir. Both are same.
Here define document types. Here also define document types. Second
Okay, sir.
major important configuration part. And go to the third, release strategy. Or also you can see here, set the tolerance limits for price variance. Here is also tolerance limits. And the fourth one, release procedure for purchase orders. It is most important. Here also there release
Release
procedure.
procedure. Okay, okay, sir.
Here define screen layout at document level. Here is also define screen layout at document level.
Okay, okay, sir.
Here on the left hand side, text for purchase requisition. Here is also text for purchase orders.
Okay, okay.
Define tolerance limit for archiving. Define tolerance for archiving. So in both the cases, almost it is similar. So what we do is, I will cover the purchase orders because most important it is, you follow the same steps and do the changes for the purchase requisition also.
Okay, okay,
And
sir.
if you will get some doubts, you can clarify in your class. So first point is, I will open the screen ME21N. I hope you remember this code. It is for creating the purchase order,
For creating, sir.
create purchase order. Okay.
Purchase order.
So before going to the configuration part, let me explain some fields here. Already you know the fields, but I would like to take some point 21N. So here, remember, okay, let me finish from my side. After that, I will ask you if you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. In purchase orders and as well as in purchase requisitions, there will be three categories. One is
Yes,
header
sir.
data, item overview, and
An
item.
item. Three. Yes, sir.
Yes. Remember, there will be three categories in
Okay, sir.
purchase order as well as in purchase requisition.
Okay, okay.
That is one your point you remember. So here in purchase, header data will be, just if you open the header data, purchase organization, and remember, all tabs are very important now onwards. As a consultant, you should not be able to remember the fields in all the parts. Most probably you will
Okay.
be
You mean
using
the
the,
tabs, right? Yeah, every tabs,
yes,
right, sir?
yes. So whenever
Okay.
you get a time, not whenever, always you to browse what is the data in delivery, what is the data in condition tab, what is the data in text, what is the data in address.
Okay,
Okay.
okay,
So
okay.
as a consultant, sometimes when you're working in the industry, you'll get some tickets or incidents related to change the address or change the pin code. So directly we cannot search each and every type. So you must be able to, where the company code or country will come, address header data, like that you must be remember.
Okay,
So
sir.
but
Okay,
end
understood.
users will be using the all the options, depends upon their company policies and all. Okay,
Okay,
sometimes they
okay.
don't use, sometimes that is default. Keep in mind, this is the header data, this is item overview data and item data.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So in the configuration also, if you want to change the data in the header, it will come header data, purchase
Okay, sir.
order screen layout at header level. If you want to change something in the item overview, okay, and there
Okay,
will
sir.
be some, yeah, screen layout for item data, purchase order document level at item.
This is only changes, right, sir? In anything we changes.
What any changes means?
So if we need to change anything,
Yes, if you want to change the any layout data,
okay,
layout. For example, I will tell you, this is the one plant, material group is there or plant is there. Now if you want to make it mandatory or optional or display, then means layout you are changing, you are going to change the layout of the screen, right? So for that reason, if options will be available at the item data, not at the header
okay,
data.
okay, okay, sir.
Here for example, I will go to the item details. Now for example, I need to change something in the delivery. This encode terms it is available, but my company say that I don't require this encode terms field because it is not related to my business. SAP
Okay,
has provided all the feasibility, all the data, irrespective of the company. For companies, some companies they may need it, some companies they may not need it.
need
But
okay, sir.
yeah, for example, you have own your company and you are not utilizing this term at all, and by keeping in ME21 and screen, why you are confusing the end users? If end users give some data here, it will mislead them.
Fine, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay, end user should not
Okay.
see this data at all.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, for example, you have customized this. Anyway, you are not using that, then what is the use of keeping inside the screen?
Okay. Okay. Right, sir.
You got
Right,
my
sir.
point.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
see, not only in code terms, for all the fields, if they does not, for example, tax code is there, and you are not,
Yeah.
your business is not running with any tax code scenarios in your business. You are not considering tax code. Then why you are keeping this field in the item level? Only these three fields are sufficient.
So
So
we have to
if
hide
end,
that.
you have to hide that.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so that end user should not see it. If end user is seeing by mistakenly or human error, he may enter some value, and when he create a purchase order, he may get some error.
Yeah. No, no, yes, sir.
Okay, so all these fields selection, layout selection, field selection, screen selection is depends on the one, that is document type.
Okay.
Whenever you
Okay.
select the document type, if I select, just you just observe here all the fields here. If I
Yes, sir.
change the document type, some fields will change.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, even why we are not seeing on the screen means all these fields what it is reflecting on the screen is, it is mandatory for all the business. So if you go to inside, some fields they will change. You got my point, what I am
Yes, sir.
explaining
Yes,
you.
sir.
Okay, so this selection, screen modification, display or hide or optional, everything will depends on document type. So first our point is we need to create our own document type first, that is define document types. First
Okay,
part
sir.
is define
Define
document
document.
types, because all the changes are based on the document type.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for example, your name is Arvind. AR is the document type.
Okay, sir.
Okay, once I select the AR in the purchase order, here assume I want select purchase order, so the automatically field will change.
Okay. Okay, sir.
You have a plant in Bangalore, for that Bangalore batch is not required. You can remove it, because Bangalore company people should not use batch as an option when
Batch.
creating a
Okay.
PO.
Okay. This is a business requirement.
Business requirement,
Okay.
not only
Okay,
the
sir.
batch, all the fields. Okay, so that is a consultant job. So first
Okay, sir.
what I do
Okay.
is I will create a document type. And
Okay.
remember, the standard document type for purchase order is NB. NB.
NBS, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, NB is a standard document type. So
Yes.
instead of creating a new one, what we usually will do is we'll copy the NB document type and we will make
Already
the
existed
changes.
one.
Yeah, you can ask a question, why always you copying from the standard? Because in the NB you might have 1 lakh or 50 or 10,000 fields. Number of
Okay.
fields
Okay.
are more. If you want to, if you does not interest to copy the NM, you have to create 10,000, 20,000, or 1 lakh fields manually. Which one is easy for you? Always for us it will be easy for copying. Otherwise you have to create,
Copying is best, sir.
yeah, copying is the best. Otherwise you need to create all these fields new. And when you
Okay.
are creating a new, you might miss some fields, some important
Okay. Okay,
fields.
sir.
Unknowingly will miss, then the business will face the issues. So
Okay,
SAP
we can
has
copy
provided
from the already filled
standard.
one.
Yes. So SAP will
Okay.
always suggest to copy the standard one, and you can play. Whatever you want, you keep it, or whatever you does not require, you delete it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So now I will go to the SPRO. So one more point I need to highlight here. Just use Siri. For example, I am not seeing the T codes on the right hand side of the screen. There is a possibility, go to additional information in the SPRO screen, additional information, display key, and IMG activity. If you
Okay.
click it, you can see some T codes. Okay. Directly, if you want to go to define number ranges, you can use OMY6
OM by
directly.
6.
Last four digits of this
Okay, sir.
number,
Okay.
OMY6. Okay, I
Okay,
will
okay,
choose the
sir.
one more also, display key document. Okay, see purchase order document is, it is not a T code. Okay, it is a
Document
document
key.
because I have selected here document.
MEVS.
Yeah, MVES is the document.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, so T codes here also I will get. I
These are
will
all
show you.
already system generated, right, sir?
Yeah, system generated. It is there
Okay.
everything, but usually will not follow it. I told you for your information. Some
Information.
cases you need to remember the T codes. In that case, you can search here.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay.
Now instead of going SPRO here, SPRO, SAP, IMG, material management, purchasing, directly I can use OLME is a T code.
OLMA.
It comes
Okay,
by
sir.
an experience. Okay, it comes by an experience. Okay, as always, consultant used to please remember the T codes. Okay,
Okay.
so it time consuming will be there. So now what I do is I will go to the screen. I will come back. So
OLMA.
instead of going the path, I will choose OLME.
ME.
See, directly I can do purchasing. See, purchasing is there. Earlier, what is SPRO, IMG, material management, then purchasing will come, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, here, where is the purchase order? Here is the purchase order. Select it. If you want to go to the purchase order directly, check is there any feasibility is there. So purchase order is there. Directly see OLME. We are in OLME screen. And if you want to define number ranges of purchase order, directly you can use OMY6.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
So
Nice.
now OLME, we are in OLME. Then next four digits is OMY6. OMY6 is for defined number ranges. Even we also not tried because it will be very difficult to remember all the T codes, right? It will be difficult for us also. So
Okay.
I will try
Okay, sir.
now. OMY6 I will try. So it should come define number ranges automatically. Let me open first and I will show. Okay, I should get this type of screenshot when I use OMY6. I will come
Okay,
like,
sir.
I will come background OMY6. See, it is not transaction OMY6 is, it does not exist. So it is
Does not
not a,
exist.
yes, it is not sufficient. So come to OLME and change. Sometimes it will happen like that. Sometimes you get the T codes.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So additional information, just for only information I am telling you. Remember this. Okay. Now
Okay,
define
sir.
number ranges. I don't require as of now. I will need define document types first. So double click
Okay,
on
sir.
the document type. And here almost 41 documents have been created in the system.
Entry.
Yeah, 41 types of documents are available here.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So now search for NB. So go to position, search NB. You can ask a question why you are going for NB because it is a standard one.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Now I would like to explain some terms here. So please give the concentration so that it will be easy for you. Don't divert here and there. So first in the NB, item interval is there. What is the meaning of item interval here is, I will open the screen ME21. Here item in 10 it has taken automatically. Okay,
Okay.
next if I add something,
20.
one more material, if I add here, if I add one more material, why it has taken 20? Why it has not taken 11? Because in this document type NB,
Interval is taken as 10.
10, yeah, between the two line items, it will copy as 10.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Interval. Difference, sir.
Yes. If I change 100 to 100, it will change. That you also observe. Here, instead of 20, 10, I will take 20.
Okay. Okay.
First line item will be 20, second will be 40. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just
Okay.
I will say it. Okay. I should not do any changes for the standard one. Okay. I will change it anyway later. Just only for beginning, I will tell you. Slash NME21 N. What should the document type? NB. Go to
NB. Okay, sir.
item type, any one material. See, it has taken 20.
Okay, okay, sir.
If I can take 32 material, next will be 40, right?
Okay, okay,
So the
right.
business may needs, instead of calculating 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20 like that, some people, some business also require to use 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 like that. They feel it is easy for them. So it is a requirement. I hope you
Okay, okay, sir.
understood the meaning of first point.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next is second column. I will make it 10 only. Okay, because it is a standard. I should not change for the standards. So now the second column is number range internal.
Okay,
NO range, number range internal. So what is the meaning of this number range internal? I will tell you. So this is a ME21 screen. Just enter all the required details and create a PO.
okay,
Okay, I'm deleting this. So I think you know all this how to create a PO. So I am going a little bit fast.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
You know how to create a PO, right? No need to
Yes, sir,
explain.
yes, sir, no, sir.
Yeah, fine, very good. So here, what is the meaning of this
Me21.
order? Order. It is a warning message or error message?
It's a warning message, sir.
Warning message. So what is the warning message is giving? Order quantity below
Below
minimum
minimum
order
order
quantity.
quantity 100 piece from info record.
Yeah. So what is the meaning of this is when you are creating a purchase info record for this
It
vendor,
should be minimum order less than 100
minimum
pieces.
is minimum should less than 100 or minimum should be 100.
Minimum order, sir.
Minimum order. So I have selected 5. So it is giving a warning. So if purchase info record is created for this vendor and this material, minimum 100. So if I choose 101 quantity, that warning
It will
message will
accept.
not appear. It has gone.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So all these warning messages, error messages also you need to observe. Then only you will learn
Okay, okay,
better.
sir.
Should not neglect. Okay, where it is a warning
Okay, sir.
message is there. You should not neglect and try to solve that. Uh,
Okay, sir.
that remove that error. Okay, now 101 I have copied. Now just I will check is there any mandatory fields are there? No mandatory fields. I will just create a purchase order. Save. Observe carefully. Here the system has generated one number,
That is material PO number.
P1 number. So this P1 number, why it has started with only 4030? This is a material purchase
This is
order has been generated.
okay.
Purchase order number. Okay, so why this system has given this number? You could have asked that, oh, it has not started with like this. It has not started with the
Because the series
250.
started from 4, sir.
Yeah, why? Because in the company, in the purchase business, what they do
The
is,
number ranges.
yeah, just listen carefully here. So in the company, the
Mm-hmm.
business requirement is whenever you create a PO, purchase order, with the NB document type, the
Okay.
PO number should start with 40,
Okay,
40
okay.
series. Whenever
Oh,
you have one more document type like XX, okay, whenever which they have some standard set, will not understand why they are asking to create a standard document type as XX. Understood? Their business, they will say
okay,
that,
okay.
yeah, create one document like SB for their business, maybe in Spain business, Spain, Sri
Okay, okay,
Lanka,
sir.
Singapore, like that. With
Okay,
document
okay,
types, you
sir.
will understand, and with purchase order number also they will understand. If any documents created with SB document type, then the number should start with 75.
Down 5. Okay.
So for this document type, you have to change the number.
Okay, okay.
You have to set the number,
So
and number
even if a
everything
system
will
is
be given.
generating a number, we can able to change
First,
that, right, sir?
let me finish, Arvind. Then you can ask a question. It will be easy for me
Okay,
to
okay.
complete because the question what you are asking, maybe I will cover in another 1 2 seconds.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. See the document type SB, and I will choose the number 45, 75 like that.
Okay.
Okay. So what I do is I will create a one customized document type as ZY or my plant or any document type. Okay, no problem. I will put the number range as I will put the number range as, for example, 90 and something 11, 1200, 1200 to 2000, like this. Only for understanding purpose, I am telling you. Usually, they will
Okay.
keep minimum 10 digits. Usually, because they need to run the business for long period of time, right? So they need to
Okay.
select. So they will not know how many number of purchase orders will be created. If the number range
Okay.
is within 1 lakhs, they might have end up with 1 year only or in 1 month only. So
Okay.
always they
Okay.
will prefer minimum 10 digits, 12 digits number.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, that is called number ranges.
Number ranges. Okay.
Yes, so system has taken 0 to number ranges for this document type. So now I will show you in the 0 to which number is assigned. In the 0 to this number will be assigned. This is intermediate number. Here it may
Okay.
starts with 40000 like this and
Okay.
end at 49000 like this.
Okay.
So the document it has taken between these two only, right? This is starting point, this is end point. So number has taken
And
between these two.
okay. Okay. Right, sir.
You got my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, for the document type NB, the number range is 02, they mentioned 02. So 02 is assigned with these two numbers.
Yes, sir.
Example I am telling you. So that is the reason system has taken this number. How many
Mm-hmm.
digits are there here? Just read it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 are there. How many digits are there here?
1,
3,
2,
6,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, sir.
9. Okay, I will make it 10. How many digits are there here? Only for 3, 6, 9. So one more is required.
Okay.
Okay. So system has selected these two number range. So system automatically has taken internal number range. I will
Okay.
check. I will show you where it is there. See, 02 number range is there. I will come back. Now I need to go to define number ranges. Go to
Okay.
number ranges. Just go to number ranges and there will be three options. If have a spectacle symbols, it is display mode. Only you can see, not authorized to edit. So as of now, I need display. Just to check 02. Where is the 02? Number range 000102. See here, check. This is the starting point they maintained.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And where is the end point end numbers? This is the end point
59.
number.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Got it? So system has taken this number. So
Okay,
this
sir.
number
Okay.
is between these two only, right? This lies between these two ranges or not?
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. If you create a one more PO for the same document type NB, so what will be the purchase order number?
The purchase order number will be the first one, sir. 40302.
Which one? This one.
Yeah.
This is starting point. This is end point. So what is the current status of the PO?
Sir, actually, the number ranges is is 02, right, sir?
Number range is 02. In this number range, already they have mentioned this is the first number point, starting point of the PO. After
Then it comes
10
in between.
years
It comes in between, sir.
in between, so current status is 787.
Yes,
If
sir.
I create a one more PO after 2 seconds, what will be the new PO number?
788.
78 exactly. That's what my question. See here
Okay, sir.
in the number range also you can see in the 02. This is the starting number they have given. This is
Okay,
the end
understand. You,
number
you
given.
mean like where it lies between this number
Yes.
ranges, right, sir?
So current number is 787.
Okay, okay. Right,
If I
sir. Right,
create a
sir.
new purchase order after 2 seconds or 5 seconds, the new status will be 788.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
And
sir. Yes.
one more important point you need to observe here is the last column is external column.
Okay.
What is the meaning of this external column is, if I click this external column
Mm-hmm.
checkbox, then system will not create a number automatically. Here in our
Okay.
case, this number has generated automatically, right?
Is system generated.
Yes, system generated, because we have assigned it as internal. So nothing is
Internal.
there
Okay.
means what is the meaning? Internal.
Internal.
If I check it, then it will be considered as external.
Oh,
Correct.
click it, sir.
So see, the checkbox is not there. What is the meaning?
Internal.
Internal. For these two checkboxes activate. What is the meaning?
External.
External. So
External.
what is the meaning of external here is, instead of when you are creating a PO, you need to
Okay.
give this number manually.
Okay. Okay. Uh-huh.
Here you have to go this, and here when you are creating a purchase order like this, you have to enter the number manually, 788.
Okay. That is external. Fine, sir. Fine, sir.
External, because
Oh.
if external number is check, then system will not give the
Even
number
external and
automatic.
internal number both are PO numbers only, right, sir?
Yeah, both are pure number only. But how will you remember the external number? In all the cases, how will you remember? Today you will create 10 purchase orders, and tomorrow I will be coming for the same document and I will be creating a new. How will you track the each number, right? It will be very difficult.
Okay. Okay.
Correct or not?
Fine, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right,
Yeah,
sir.
if you select is internal, then system will remember automatically.
Okay. Okay,
And
sir. Fine.
SAP has provided both the option. If it does not require internal, you can select is external.
External. Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, why the external tick mark will come into the picture is, for some document types, they will
We
create
need to
some,
enter it manually.
yes, manually, and they will create only some less number of POs, some dedicated.
Okay.
So only the
Okay, sir.
managers
Okay.
will create, only the plant head will create the purchase order. In that cases, it will be easy for to remember, right? Yeah, in the last month, or they have a possibility to create only one purchase order in 1 year. For
Okay.
every year, they will create only one. In that case,
Okay.
they can remember the external. In the last year, which POU has created. Okay, this is the number. This year, so they will enter one digit extra. You got my point?
Okay, sir. Fine, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so right now I will not use this. For your practice, you define the number range, tick it, take that number, and try to create a purchase order for the same document type having number then 02, and check whether system will generate or not. Okay, I will show it here only for this case. Okay, for your purpose, I will show 02. I will make it. See, it is not possible for me now because I have not defined it.
Okay, sir.
Already, why the system is not taking this? Already, some purchase orders has been created.
Created.
Now I
Already
cannot.
created.
Already created. See, these purchase orders are created. See, 4030.
Can we say that is in display mode, sir?
Yeah, you can. We can. See, last number ending with 0. How many purchase orders are created? 788 purchase orders are already created in the system.
Yes, sir. Okay, yeah.
So I cannot change it, right? So it will affect for the remaining also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So system is not allowing. So always SAP has always provided best solution for the business.
Okay,
It
okay,
should
sir.
not
Fine.
damage to their businesses. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So that is a number range. I hope you remember
Okay,
it.
sir. Okay.
I'll just see ENB. I will go and I will show you this. So internal number range is over. Item interval is over. This is also over. Now SAP also provided. You might have asked, sir, I need both internal as well as external, right?
External.
You define one more number range as a external and keep it here. You got my point? What
Yes,
I
sir.
mean?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here I will go. I will show you why external is also selected for this. So why I'm taking much time to explain you is, in explain when defining I will make it fast. First I will explain here. Okay, here 35 they have created, right? External
Yes,
number
sir.
range. What is that? 35.
35.
You go to 35. 35. Yes. You can use the same number. See, purchase order has not created. no purchase order has created for this
This.
35 number range. So you go
Okay,
to
sir.
this, copy this number, okay, 202020 like that. We copy this and go to the PO, and if you enter for document type N, enter,
Mm-hmm.
system is
Okay.
taking, system is taking, right?
Oh, we have to assign it to the purchase organization groups and company code.
No, 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 no. Always all these fields will change depends on document type. Keep in mind. When I choose a document type, settings will done automatically.
Mm-hmm. And understand. So manually we are entering, so we have to enter that
Manually we are
document.
entering. Why you are entering manually? Why the system is accepting it?
It is because they're asking external document.
Yes,
External one.
this number is selected as external. So I am doing
External.
externally. I am entering it
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
externally.
Yeah, yeah.
System has not generated it internally.
Yeah, we are entering manually.
Yes, you are any number it will change. It will take. If you enter any number between these two intervals, starting 9 to number, it will take.
Okay, sir. Okay.
If I enter last 5 digits, I will tell. I will check 5. This will also accept. See, I will show you how I will create this also. I will take this 32. Quantity is 101. Price is 100. Only for demo purpose. Okay. G31. See, the material does not exist or not activated. Okay, it will make you the error. That's gone. Check. System is not giving any error, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. It is just warning message.
Yeah, warning message. I can create a PO for this number range also.
Yeah, yeah.
If I save it, system is creating a PO. See,
Yeah.
number has created. Nothing I have
Created.
changed. Document type is everything is same.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Everything is same. Why? You can ask a question. Why the system has done these two changes? I will show you here. This is
Because
also,
that is business requirement.
yeah, business requirement. Why the business has required such kind of requirement? Because these number ranges internally will be used by the end users. End users, for example, I am an end user. I will
Okay.
use document type NB. For
Okay.
my manager or supervisor, he is a lead in leading position. He can use external
Okay.
number range.
Okay. Okay, sir. Right, sir.
Okay, by seeing these two number only, they will decide that yeah, this PO is related to document type NB.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, it will not come in 1 or 2 days after creating some 1 month POs, 2 month PO. Then you will come to know that okay, this is like that.
Okay,
These
sir.
two
Okay.
numbers will come with document type NB. Even for example, based on the bike number K01, K01 is for which one? Bangalore region, right? Based on
Bangalore region.
K01, yeah, K01, you will judge that oh, it is a Bangalore passing bike.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, if it is K32 or K38, 39, something is there, oh, this is for that region bike. If a Tamil
Okay.
Nadu bus has come in Karnataka, how will you decide it is a Tamil Nadu bus or India
Yes.
Karnataka bus?
TN. TN.
TN is a document type. That
Okay,
is
sir. Okay.
TN. And you are
Okay,
judging that
document.
number you don't bother about, right? How will you
Yes, sir.
remember
Yes,
the
sir.
all the Tamilians bike, all North Indian bus, Andhra bus, Telangana bus, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly,
So
sir.
based on the document type you are remembering, so it is
Okay, sir.
like
Okay.
that. Okay. So here now we are in this case. So your number internal is over, number range is over, external is also over. The next important here is field selection. Field selection. I explained you just couple of minutes ago. Whatever the fields you are changing in item level here, item level, or maybe in the header level, all these fields will save in one number, that is field selection number, NBF, whatever may be the number.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I will explain here so that you will understand. So assume these are the fields, standard fields are there. Here 1, 2, 3, assume 5, 7, like that. So in this table, assume this is a PO screen. Please try to understand. Here it is, this is a PO.
PO. Okay.
Okay. In this PO layout means just example like this. This is the PO layout.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, so here this is the PO layout. In this
Okay,
PO
sir.
layout, what you have done is you have removed this field.
Okay, sir.
That, so removed means what is the meaning? You have changed the document,
Yeah.
you have changed the screen layout,
Yes, sir.
you have changed the layout of the PO.
Okay, some data is removed.
Yeah, date is removed. So that data will assign to one field selection, some
Okay, sir.
number or alphanumeric or n ABC, like that.
Okay.
So okay, this ABC field selection 5 is not available.
Okay.
5 field is missing. 5 field is
Okay.
not required for the business. Okay.
Business. Okay, sir.
In NEF, what is the standard? It is standard. NBF.
Okay, sir.
NBF, whether 5 is required or not.
It is
Initially
not
it was
required,
there.
sir.
Initially it was there or not in NBF.
Initially it was there.
It was there. Understood? It was there. It means it is required for them.
Yes, sir.
So NBF, sorry, yeah, 5 field is required. Fifth field is required. That's an
Okay.
example. Okay, field is nothing but all these are all fields.
Okay.
All 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also some material data. This is also one field. All these are all fields.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, all these are all fields. So here NBF 5 field is required.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if it is required, now I will copy this and I will paste here. So I will fifth will be there. So this is the layout for NBF screen,
Okay. Okay.
and this is the layout for which ABC screen.
ABCs.
You got my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So when you selected here in front of NB, if you put ABC field selection in the PO, fifth field will not come.
Yes, sir. Because it is not required in that.
Yeah, it is not required because you have assigned ABC.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for some one more document type they will create. Assume the document type is AA.
Okay.
AA, assume AA is the document name. AA, they will assign NBF.
Then it
AA,
is required.
yeah, AA will be the document type. They will assign NBF. Now you will tell me in the purchase order screen, will they get fifth document type or not? Fifth field or
They will
not?
definitely get, sir.
They will definitely. That is the meaning of this screen, NBF.
Okay. Okay, sir.
What are the changes you are doing in the layout in the ME21N screen, header level, document level, whatever? All those field changes you save in field selection. That field selection you map to document type.
ABC and NBF.
Yes, whatever. Just these are all numbers. Okay, okay. These are all numbers. We can change anything. See, people have to use different numbers.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, you got my point.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will repeat it once again. The changes in the fields in purchase order here, the change in the layout of the purchase order will be saved in field selection. I will write here changes in field selection in the purchase order screen. Where it will be saved? It will save in, it will save. It will be stored in field
Sir,
selection.
field selection.
It field selection will be mapped to document type.
Right, sir.
Document type. Now, for example, you tell me the standards. You compare this. And tell me which is a field selection, field name, field selection name I will write, so that you will not field selection name. In standard, what is the field selection name? Standard field selection name. What is the standard here?
NBF.
Yes, that NBF. NBF. This NBF field selection name is mapped to which document type?
There
What
is
is the
this
document?
external. One second, sir. External, sir.
What external? Where
So,
is the
so not
question of
external. One
external?
second.
I am
NB for
asking
NB
you.
doc for NB.
Yes, please understand the question carefully. And it is
Okay.
not a, we are not fixing 5 seconds or 10 seconds to answer your questions or
Okay.
five
Okay.
questions.
Okay.
Okay. NB is a
Yes.
document type.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
NB. Okay. I am mapping to NB. Now my question is for this document type NB, which is a internal number range. Internal
Uh,
number range.
is 35, sir.
Just
Internal. Okay. Internal is 02.
02. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
02 I will map. Now you tell me for the same document type, which is a external number range.
35.
35.
Okay.
And
Okay, sir.
for the same document type having internal number range, and what is the item interval?
Item
Item
interval is
interval
10, sir.
10. Okay. So this
Okay, sir.
is your configuration. Now in our case, our practice purpose, example 2, we will create one document type. Okay, first we will create a field name. What is the field name we will create? We will create an ABC, just an example, or standard GYY will create. Like this will go 3 digits. That field will map to the document type is GY, which will map to some. I will create one internal number range as ZZ or Z3, like this. That will be my external number range is 04 Z4, and time item interval I will give is 20. You got what is our requirement now? The
Yes, sir.
business the business is saying, please create one document type as GY. GY is a document type.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. For this document type,
Mm-hmm. Yes,
for
sir.
this document type, what is the field selection? He is asking. Field selection name. Field selection name is what here?
So ZYY.
ZYY.
Okay.
For these two combinations, he is asking us to create one internal number range.
Okay. Internal number
Internal
range
number
is
range is what?
zero Z3.
Z3. External number range
Z4 and internal
04.
item
Item
interval is
interval is
20.
20. Got my point? What we are going to
Yes.
do in.
Yes. Just we are changing the names.
Yes. No, not only changing, we will configure it in the system now.
Okay. Okay.
I will not change here. I will go to change 02. I will make it 20. 04. No, G3 or G4 must be available in the system, right? Then only it will take.
Okay.
Okay. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. So first point, we'll come back. So
Yes,
first,
very good, sir.
what is our requirement? Document type.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So document type is define document types. So I will show you the path once again. Go to SPRO. After SPRO IMG, SPRO IMG, MM material management, purchasing. In the purchasing, if you go to purchase order, in the purchase order, define document types.
Types.
Yeah. So standard is NB, select it and copy.
Okay.
So what is our requirement? ZY.
ZYY.
Yes, ZY. We
Is it
don't know
okay?
whether it is available already. Someone has
But we are
created
copying. We are copying.
GY. GY. If already name the GY name is there in the system, it will not take because already it is existing, right?
Existing. Okay.
There will not be possible to have two mobile numbers for two persons. Have the same
Yes,
mobile
sir.
number for two persons, but already is
Yes,
existed,
sir.
so we cannot copy. So what I do is I will write GY document type. Okay, document type for ZA31. This is our plant, no? So for
Yes.
plant, just for only for my understanding purpose. Otherwise, business may ask you to mention the country. They will mention the country like India. For India,
Okay.
GY is document type they will use. For Sri Lanka, SY they will use like that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Internal number range I am giving as 20. 20. I need item interval 20, 20, 20. Right?
Okay.
Okay. Just I am entering, it is copying all. So 176 fields are
Entries.
copied, entries are copied. If you
Okay.
want to
Okay, sir.
create a new one, manually you need to create 176. Manually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. You have to create 176 manually. So it will be very
Okay.
horrible for us. Okay. See, I have created only ZY. It is done.
Yes, sir.
It's done now. Now I need to create a field selection name.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, don't worry about all these things. It is, we have not changed as of now. Still, it is copied. We have copied from the previous.
Okay, sir.
So still we have not done. This one I have changed. Done. But the in the screen, what was 02 is not our. We have not defined the number range, right? Still, we have it is
Yes,
already
sir.
someone has defined previously. Now I will define field selection NBF instead of NBF standard. What is our case? ZYY.
ZYY.
Okay, so now how to define field selection, that is important. So as of now you save it. Okay, later we will create a field selection that we will assign here. Okay, still I have
Okay.
not
Okay.
created, otherwise I will remove now. I will keep it blank. Blank. We will create a new one, and that ZYY I will assign to this document type. I will create a internal number range, some number range, and I will assign to this document type. I will create an external number range. I will assign to this document type.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You got my point. Okay.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Now to change this, where is the option? I am not going to change the number range. I am not going to change the document type. Now here I am going to change the layout, field selection.
Okay, sir.
Layout, field selection means layout I am going to change. Means
So, like
document I am
previously,
going to
how we
assign.
did for ABC file.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
So
sir.
here, if I go just see, is there any options to define the layout? Here is there. Define screen layout. Define screen layout
Layout or
at
document level.
document level. It is a document level. Which document it is? Purchase order document.
Purchase order document.
Okay, I will go the new one. See, someone has created an n number of field selections already. They have 50 document types,
Yes, sir.
50 field selections. But I don't
Okay.
want to wish uh, to copy the same.
Okay.
So what I do is I will go to the position. Which one is the standard one? Just now we have see the standard now.
NBF.
NBF is a standard. So I
Okay.
will try to copy from the NBF, or else you can define one, no problem, but better to copy. So we will not miss any fields. The NBF is there. Select it, copy. So it is asking field selection key. What is a field selection key for our GYY, right? This is the name, the business read, correct?
Selected time.
Field selection purchase order. Field selection
Pure.
sideways. Yeah, document type. What is a document type we have defined? Still, we have not defined any document type, right? Yeah, that
Yes,
is
sir.
equivalent. ZY we have defined.
Yes,
Already
sir.
we have defined ZY. So I will put as document type ZY.
GY.
So it will be easy for understanding. Yeah, this
Okay,
field
sir.
name is for document type ZY,
Okay,
purchase
okay.
order. Or you can mention the plant, country, whatever. So it is
Right, sir.
not to mention the country name here because when you are creating a document type, already you have mentioned country.
Country India. Yes, sir.
Yeah, again, why you are mentioning the country here? You can mention this is related to this one,
Okay.
related to ZY document type, like this.
Okay, sir.
Remove this now, ZY, and enter. ZYY is created, but I have
Number one
not
population.
modified anything. I have not modified, just I have created. This
Okay.
field I have copied from NBF standard. So all the settings will be copied from NBF. Still, I have
Okay, sir.
not modified it. Did I modify it? No,
No, sir. We have not
we have
modified.
not modified, right? So I will go
Mhm.
to modify. Just select details. See here, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever the 12 entries are here, all the purchase order fields has covered in this 12 entries only.
Okay, okay.
See, for how many fields are there? Only for header level we will count. Okay, one. First we will go to this table. How many fields are there in the delivery? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
4, 5,
6,
6, 7, 8,
7,
9, 10.
8, 9, 10. So
10
10 fields available in
entries.
one tab.
Yes, sir.
Okay, similarly, here some two fields. Similarly, here some fields are there. So SAP has considered all the fields in header level and as well as item overview level and as well as item detail in each tab.
Okay,
Remember, in
okay.
each tab, they have summarized in these 12, 15 entries.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, so where you
Okay.
are going to change, for example, in this, I don't want to use, let me show anyone some unimportant, yeah, for example, in the delivery tab, Incoterms should not be there for me. I am
Okay, it
not
should be
going to
hidden.
use, yeah, it should be waved off. It should not see to the end user. It should not appear in the purchase order screen when I am choosing the document type ZY. When I choose the document type GY, the Incoterms should not be available,
Okay,
should
that
not be
should be hidden.
appear. Yeah, it
Okay,
should be
sir.
hidden. Incoterms should not be available. Getting my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So
Okay.
creating and hiding field is consultant job only.
Yes, yes. You are not creating a new. SAP has already given the suggestion. Where we are creating a new, I am not creating. Just I am modifying it.
Modifying. Okay.
Yeah, display mode, required mode, that I am going to do. I am not creating a new one. You will not
Okay.
create a
Okay.
new one. For example, for your business, you need one more field here. In this space,
Mm-hmm.
some space is there, but you need one more field. That is not your job. The developer will create a job. They will write a program. They will
Okay.
create a
Okay.
new field.
Okay.
Once they
Okay.
create a new field, then your job is whether it is display mode, mandatory mode, or it should be
Okay. Okay.
hidden.
Okay.
That you can do.
Okay. Fine,
You
sir.
got my point. Are you going to choose any new options in your mobile?
No, no, sir.
But you have an option for changing some settings in your mobile.
Settings. Yes, sir. Yes,
The
sir.
changing the settings is consultant job. Developer
Yeah.
has done in the mobile already.
Okay.
They
Okay.
have done all these things. They have created so many fields. If the
Okay.
view does not require, you remove it. If you require, you keep it. And it is very important, mandatory. The data must be entered, then make it mandatory, required entry. For
Okay. Okay.
example, this field is not a required entry, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In the previous class, I show you how to remember the required entry. You will get one tick mark.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mandatory
Yeah,
field.
yeah, if it is, yeah, it is not there. But the business say that without this entry he should not move to the next screen.
And we should make it mandatory.
Mandatory, that is a consultant job.
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, now I am removing these two, this incoterms. Where is this incoterm available? It is in the item detail.
Okay. Yes, sir.
In the item detail. So
Yeah.
I will go to the change here. Where is the item? Here is a one item terms. Here is also item terms.
Double
Here is
click.
also item terms. One, two, three are there. So reference data I will check. I will check here also. Check any incoterms are there in the basic data.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Check. Okay, in the beginning also we will face some, because we don't know which field is available in which data, right? So
So it is
in
not
beginning,
mentioned
yeah,
here.
in beginning you will face some issues. Is any incoterms here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, incoterms is item level is there for us. Maybe incoterms will be available in header data also. We need to check it. Is there any incoterms in the delivery? Check. No. Incoterms in the text? No. Address? No. Partners? No. See, incoterms is not there here in the header data.
Again, we have to come to the next one.
Yeah. So item level, we are going to see the item level only.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So go to the fields here. Item level, incoterms item. Just remove it. Okay.
And we have to.
Remove it.
Okay, sir.
Remove it. And when you are removed item, this is a part of this incoterms.
Okay, sir.
So obviously we need to remove this also, because this is available for this within this only. It is a major within this one more field like that. Okay, we have removed this. Just remember, I have removed item detail, this incoterms, part 1, part 2. This is part
Okay.
1,
Okay.
part 2. If one more field is there, part 3, part
Part
4,
three.
like that. Like that it will come. Okay. So I have
Okay, sir.
removed part item 1 as well as part 2 also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So here incoterms part 1 optional entry. Okay. Business requirement is only these two. Come back. Now, if you want to remove any data, one more data, check for any which data I need to remove. Can we remove the tax code? Okay. Just only for understanding. Okay.
We got to go to invoice.
Yeah. Invoice. Check where is the tax code is available.
So in this we have to find, right, sir?
Yeah. You have to find.
No
If you
direct
have,
option.
yeah, after some couple of years of experience, it will be easy for you to
Okay.
identify
Depends
quickly.
on
You can.
experience and all.
Yes. It depends on how many types of implementations opportunity you got for changing all these things. In the previous company, if you got an opportunity, you can remember easily, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I can change the good receipt processing time, because I know where this field will be available. Good receipt processing time, delivery will be there, I think. Where is the delivery good receipt processing time? Good receipt. Yeah. See, good receipt processing time, it is there. I don't require. My requirement is it should not be available. Okay. GR processing time and income terms. So I am going
Mm-hmm.
to remove. And one more point you remember here. How many columns are there here? Required entry, optional entry, display. Only three. Where is the hide?
It's not there.
Not there. Display, if you check, it will be in display mode.
Yeah, yeah.
Optional entry means optional entry. If it is check, either you entry, if you enter the data, also system will accept. If you not enter the data, also system will accept. If you
Accept.
make
Yes.
it
Yes.
required entry, you must enter the data required.
Okay. Yes, sir.
You must enter. If you are not entering any data in that GR processing time, system will not allow you to go to the next screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But here, where is the option for hidden? Hide. ID is not there. So if you are not selected any of these three options, automatically it will be hide.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. See, remember, for good receipt also we have removed, and in code terms also we have removed.
Fine, sir.
Remember. So I'm going to change the field. Save. So SPRO, some TR is created. Save. It is done. GYY is also done.
Okay, sir. Right, sir.
Okay. Now we'll create an internal number range G3. This is internal number.
So we are assuming Z3 as internal range and 24 as external.
Yeah, we will create.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
We will create one number range.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. That go to, is the session recording or not? Yeah, it is recording. Fine.
Session is recording, sir.
Fine. Good. Good. So I will go to now. Before going that, I will assign that ZYY to my document type,
Yes, sir.
because we have defined, right? We have
Yes,
defined
sir.
and we have come up with our requirement also. We have satisfied. So ZY, what is the document field name? Field name. I should paste it here. Field selection
Demo.
name. What is the
Z,
field
Z, Z,
selection?
Z3. Z3, right, sir?
Z3 is
Oh,
what?
field selection. Yeah, field selection is ZYY.
ZYY. Okay.
Mm,
So if you are getting
yes, sir.
confused with these similar kind of numbers, you can keep it different one, no problem.
Different. Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. So why I take on Z3 and Z4 instead of I could have take 1334, because in the system already 1334 they might have defined. See here.
Mm-hmm.
See 1334. Everything is there.
So
If
we
I
have
try to
created
create,
zero. Okay.
yeah, if I try to create, the system will show that already the number range is available in the system.
Okay,
It will
okay.
not accept. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Right, sir.
Now go to save it, because we have assigned, correct, we have
Mm.
assigned this.
Yes, sir.
I will keep it here. Okay, this is our done. Document type also we have created, and for this document type we have assigned field selection, and internal number range also. Earlier it was 10 for the standards, now we have made 20. Otherwise you can take
Mm.
30. 30
Okay.
also. Okay, here I will make it as 30 internal
Fine, sir.
item interval. Okay, now our job is to change these two.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so for
Yes, sir.
this number range is 0 to, it is old one, we have not defined new one. I'm going to define it now. Go back, define number range, just select
Intervals.
intervals. I think any number range is already there. Yes, already number range is open, so it is not showing. Define number range. Okay, before define internal number range, check first intervals. Is there any intervals already existing? Z3. I am going to plan, my plan is to create a Z3, right? G3. G3. Is there any G3? No.
No, Z1, Z2 are
Z1,
there.
Z2 is there. G3 I can create. Even
Yes.
I check for one Z4. Yes. G4 is also available, because no one has created with these two number range, Z3 and
Okay.
Z4.
Oh,
So I can create. To create, we go for intervals.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Go for intervals. Z1, Z2 are there. I can create. I can create this, and I will delete it.
So we cannot go copy, sir.
Why you copy required? If you copied, what is the meaning? Exactly, it will copy, right now.
No, no,
You
we
can
can copy and
copy.
we can we
Yeah,
cannot
yeah,
edit.
yeah. Just check. Where is the copy option here?
There's no option now.
Yeah, because you are not going to change too many fields, right? How many fields you are going to
Uh-huh.
change here? Only two. This one and
Okay,
this
okay,
one.
sir. Okay, okay.
So system is very smart. If the numbers are more, then the system will create a feasibility to copy. If you are
Okay,
entering
okay.
only one field and you are copying it, then what is the use, right?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Instead of copying, if you are doing 2 or 3 steps, you can create a new one.
Fine, sir. Fine, sir.
Correct. Yeah. So this is the one I have created rate. my case only. I will save it and I will create a new one. So what is the new one we need to create? Z3.
It's G3. Yes.
From I'm just going some number range 1 to 1001. The PO number should start with 1 to 10012. Uh, Instead of 13, I will get 14. Okay, this is my
Okay,
number
sir.
range. Enter. So here G3 I have created, but I have not selected it for external. If I have not tick this, then what is the meaning? It is internal.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Now I will create a one more Z4
4.
with number range. Let me take 2 2.
Okay.
Okay, 2 2. Copy this, paste it here, and 3 3. It should end with 3 3 last. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me see whether it exists. Yeah, available. See G3 I have selected G4. Now G3 is internal, G4 should be external.
External. Yes, sir. Because
Okay.
we have selected it.
Yes. So what is the meaning of these two is you can the system will create a purchase order with numbers lying between these two. It is internal.
Internal.
If you
What we created
wish,
manually is
yeah,
external.
if you wish to create your own number range, then
Yeah,
for
understand,
external
sir.
you need to
Understand,
select
sir.
between these two. Between these
Okay.
two.
Okay.
Okay. Save it.
Okay, sir.
Save it. Now it has saved. Come back, and what is the important step we need to do? We need to assign it to our document type. Until unless you
Yes, sir.
assign to document type, it will not trigger.
Okay, sir.
What
Okay.
is the document type is ZY.
ZY.
Number range is Z3.
Yes, sir.
Internal number range. External number range
Z4.
Z4. Let's select. Save. Okay, so these two pieces also done. All steps we have completed. Now we'll create a PO with the document type. Which document type will choose now? I will choose this as a document type. Initially I was preparing for NB document type.
Yes, sir.
Here
Now,
I
now
have,
this ZY.
yeah, business need to create for different country. This is for
Yes,
India,
sir.
assume it is for India. So I will create ZY. Encode term should not be available, and GR processing time should be hide.
Okay.
I should not see these two.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
in my document type PO. So go to the PO slash NME21N. So first step, what I need to do, I need to change the document type. What is our
Okay.
document type?
ZY.
GY. See here, document type India. It has come here.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Select it. Now enter whatever the details are there for this India. You enter all the details.
Okay, sir.
Okay, because in India they have procured different of materials. In Sri Lanka they procure different of materials. In UK they prefer different of materials. Like that.
Okay, sir.
Enter. Okay, check. Now I need to see, right, whether GR processing time is high or not.
Sorry, sir.
GR processing time is there or not? See here. Earlier it was GR processing time was there, and as well as encode terms was there here
Now
in
it
the
is
delivery time.
hidden.
It is hidden because we have removed it in our
Yes, sir.
field selection.
Yes, sir.
I will show you the both also. I will show you the both. So assume, keep in mind, this PO is created with the document type ZY.
Yes, sir.
I will create a one more PO with the document type standard NB,
NB. Right, sir.
and I will show you. Okay, I'm not going to save it, but anyway, I will show the delivery tab.
Oh, it has become confusing.
No, not confusion. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. I will make it feasible. Don't worry. So, which this document type is what? This PO document type is what?
The document type is
What is a PO document type here on the screen?
NB.
NB means it is standard or customized?
The NB is standard, sir.
Standard, very good. So here, one minute, the system has this. So on the right hand screen, we have one more PO. Okay. Oh my God. 1 minute. System is playing with me. Okay.
Yes.
So what is the right hand side? What is the document type?
ZY, sir.
ZY means our customized one. This
Yes,
is
sir.
our customized. This is one previous one.
Standard one.
Standard one. Go to item detail. Item. Still it is loading. Let them take its own time. Header I will remove. Item also remove. I will keep the item detail. Go to delivery. See, in the delivery tab, you need to observe 2 points very carefully here. One is document type. One is what are the changes we have done.
Okay, okay, sir.
What is the document type on the left hand side screen? It is standard.
Standard NB.
Which field we have select just customized delivery tab, GR processing team we have removed, and encode terms also we have removed.
Yes, sir.
So in the customize, go to the document type and check in the delivery tab. Is it is removed or not? You check. See, yeah, it is removed or not?
Removed, sir.
Removed, right? So it is
Yeah.
customization. Okay. So now I will minimize it. I will. So once I create the PO, which number range will come? Any idea?
Which number range will come?
Yeah, we have selected what we have given now. Any idea? I will write here. I think for internal range 120012, maybe 22. I think we have given like this. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
20,000, sir.
20,000 we have given. Okay, fine.
Yeah, yeah.
20,000. And here I think 22,002. I don't remember, but I will. You remember now? Where are the steps we have changed? Like this we have given.
Z4 I don't remember. Z3 I remember, sir.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, just not exactly, at least you remember, right? Where we have done the changes. Okay, I will save this on the screen now. Come back. Save the PO. Where is our PO? Yeah, here is the PO. So if I save it, system will give the internal number range because I have not entered externally, right?
Yes, sir.
I have not entered externally manually. I am going to check internal number range. It should give in the range of 12,000 to 20,000 range only. So PO will create with number that range. See,
Okay, sir.
121001.
Oh, new
Exactly
one
that's
created.
new one create. If I create a
Okay, sir.
same one more PO with this document type, what will be the PO number range?
1202
12002.
002.
Like that. Now I will check for external also.
Okay.
Okay, I will check for external. Create a PO. So what is the document type you need to select?
ZY.
ZY. ZY. And internal external range. I will check. G4 we have doubt, right? Which is the
Yes,
starting
sir.
number. I will check.
Yes, sir. The starting number is doubt.
So to check, I will go only display mode. G4, yes, 221001 is the starting. Shall I give any number range between these two, or I should start with only this one? Is there any mandatory for external? Can I choose
In
between these? Any, yes. Any number you can choose
in yes, sir.
between these two. But usually what we'll do, we'll follow from lower number to higher numbers.
So in between this 22 1 1001, I can even enter a 122
Yeah, you
1103.
can enter, you can enter. No problem. Always will
In
start
bit,
number one,
sir,
one, two,
before
three,
that,
four like.
if one number is missing, then how they will consider, sir?
That is the reason you will start with from low level to the high level in sequential order.
Okay, okay. So it is best to go with sequential order.
Sequential order, sequential order.
Okay,
SAP has
okay, sir.
provided, you can choose anything, because for example,
Uh-huh.
I will tell you, in India there are five managers are there for the same plant.
Okay,
There are five managers. First
okay,
manager will choose 20 to 100, 20 to
oh,
1000. The
okay,
second manager will check the series 30 series. One more manager will take 26 series. One more manager will take 27 series, like that.
okay,
That way.
okay, like that.
Okay. So
Yes,
now I
sir.
will go to Z4. I will paste it here. I will take 10. Okay. 10 I will take. Not in the
Okay, sir.
beginning. I will take 10. We'll see whether system will allow us or not. Obviously, it will allow, but we'll see. Check for consistency. Any message, see, everything is fine. If I create a PO, save, it will check. See, 221010. Even I entered it
It,
external, it has taken.
okay, sir. Okay.
Mm. Okay. Any doubts here?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
121010 is the external it will taken. I will save in the desktop. So why I've taken little bit of time is because instead of covering PR and PO separately two times,
Okay.
we have covered this one. PR. Hello.
Configure peer configuration.
Yeah. PR. First I will write PO. PO.
Purchase
PO
order configuration.
configuration. So in the one more sheet two, in the sheet two, you practice for PR. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
1 minute. Someone has come. I will come.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.